In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product animation video ad in Canva. Whether you're promoting a new product or revamping an existing ad, Canva offers a user-friendly platform that allows you to create compelling video content with ease. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to crafting your animation ad. First things first, head over to the Canva website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, on the home page, direct your attention to the toolbar on the left and click on Video to start a new project. This will prompt you to select the format or template size that best suits your ad's requirements. Choose the dimensions based on where you plan to share this ad, be it social media or any other platform. Now, it's time to incorporate your video content. You can either search for a relevant video directly within Canva's library or upload your own original footage. For this tutorial, let's proceed with an example using a product like Coke. After selecting or uploading your video, you should insert it into your workspace by clicking on Videos in the side menu. With the video added to your canvas, adjust its size to fit your chosen template. Drag it until it is centered, providing a balanced look. It's crucial that your video is properly sized and aligned to maintain a professional aesthetic. Next, we'll incorporate text to enhance our video's message. Click on Text from the side panel and type in the text you wish to use in your ad. You can then explore more font options by clicking on See All. Browse through the list of available fonts and choose one that resonates with the theme of your ad. I went with 210 Black Box for its clear, transparent style that stands out against the background. Once your font is selected, enlarge the text box to ensure your title or message is easily visible. Center the text box to align it with your video clip perfectly. You can type in the product or ad title that complements your video. To add a bit of flair, change the text color to match your overall design. In my example, I opted for white to blend seamlessly with the background, but feel free to choose what best fits your theme. Resize and reposition the text box for better emphasis on your product title. To refine your video, you might need to manipulate the elements further. Click on Elements, type Square in the search bar, and add a square shape to your design. This shape can be utilized to cover any extraneous parts of your video. Once placed, adjust its color through the color palette, choosing a shade like white to harmonize with the background. Arrange these shapes around any overlapping aspects of the video to create a polished look. Finally, to ensure complete coverage and neatness, duplicate the square elements and position them over any excess video footage. This final touch ensures your ad looks clean and professional, ready for showcase. With these steps, you've successfully created a captivating product animation video ad in Canva. Happy designing!